Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on a personal computer for Minecraft Bedrock. To begin, connect your controller to your personal computer. Use a micro USB cable for a wired connection or activate Bluetooth on both devices for wireless pairing. Make sure your controller is fully charged or plugged in and confirm it appears as a connected device in your computer settings. Now, you will need to install DS4 Windows, a crucial piece of software that allows your personal computer to properly recognize the controller. Navigate to the official DS4 Windows GitHub page using your web browser and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, extract all the contents from the zipped file into a dedicated folder on your desktop or preferred location. Open the DS4 Windows application from the folder you created. The program should automatically detect and display your connected PlayStation 4 controller in the Controllers tab. Next, create a new profile by clicking New under the Profiles tab. You can then adjust specific button mappings and sensitivity settings to your preference for a tailored gaming experience. With DS4 Windows running in the background and your controller connected, launch Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Once the game loads, navigate to the Settings menu and then select the Controls tab. Here, you can review and adjust the default controller mappings. Ensure that actions like movement, jumping, and interacting are comfortably assigned to your PlayStation 4 controller's buttons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.